Hello, I'm Mia. Listen, repeat, and have fun.
I walk into the small coffee shop this morning. The warm smell of fresh coffee fills the entire room. Soft music plays quietly while people chat at tables. I join the short line near the wooden counter. A friendly barista smiles warmly and greets every arriving customer. I check the menu board hanging above the busy counter. The menu shows many drinks with simple, clear English words. I practice my order quietly to feel more confident. The barista finishes helping someone and calls for next. I step forward slowly and smile to show politeness. The barista asks how she can help me today. I say I want a small coffee with milk. She nods kindly and asks if I prefer hot. I choose a hot drink because the morning feels cold. She asks if I want sugar in my drink. I say no sugar because I like simple coffee. She asks if I want any extra flavor today. I shake my head and say, maybe next time. She types my order quickly into the register machine. She tells me the price and waits for my payment. I take money from my wallet and pay carefully. She gives me a receipt and thanks me politely. She asks me to wait near the pickup counter. I step aside and watch baristas preparing many drinks. Steam rises quickly from the machine, making loud sounds. A barista pours milk slowly into a tall silver pitcher. Another barista grinds fresh coffee beans for strong flavor. I hear my name called from the busy counter. I walk over and take my warm paper cup. The barista warns the drink is very hot right now. I thank her and place a lid on top.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.
I find an empty table beside the bright sunny window today. Warm sunlight shines gently across the small wooden table near me. I sit down carefully and open my fresh hot coffee cup. Soft steam rises slowly, making the calm morning feel very peaceful. I take a small sip and enjoy the smooth, warm taste. The coffee feels perfect and helps me relax after stressful morning activities. I watch people entering the cozy cafe with friendly, smiling faces. A couple laughs quietly while sharing one delicious muffin this morning. A man reads slowly while drinking his warm coffee with focus. I enjoy this quiet moment before starting a busy, long day. I check my phone and read a short friendly message. My friend asks if I want to meet here later. I reply yes, and suggest meeting inside this cozy coffee shop. A barista walks around cleaning tables carefully with a polite smile. He moves quietly between chairs and greets every customer with kindness. I finish half my drink and warm my hands slowly again. A group enters, laughing loudly, and stands near the busy counter. They discuss different drinks while pointing at the large cafe menu. I ask the barista politely if they have dairy-free milk today. She explains clearly which milk options are available for customers now. I choose oat milk because it tastes light and very smooth. I ask if the drink can be made less sweet. She nods and says she will add only little syrup. I sit down and listen for my name being called. I ask another barista what latte means in simple words. He explains clearly that it is coffee mixed with warm milk. I ask if a latte tastes stronger or lighter than cappuccino. He says cappuccino tastes stronger because it has more foam. I ask which drink is most popular among customers each morning. He says many people order lattes because they are gentle. I hear my name called and walk to the counter. I ask the barista if he added the oat milk. I thank him and ask for one small napkin, please. He gives me a napkin and wishes me a nice day. I leave the cafe feeling confident ordering coffee in English.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.